so before I show you the box, I just want to quickly tell you guys about Glossybox. They are such a cool provider. Just right now, everybody needs a little self-care, a little something for yourself, and you might not have the time, availability, planning to just fit that into your schedule. So what Glossybox is going to be is it's going to be a little self-care, a little box that shows up just for you with cool products for you to try out. And I really think that you are going to love it. So what you could do is go to the link in my description box and you'll be able to get your first box for just $1 when you get a 12-month plan. I really think you should try it out. It's going to be amazing. They have so many high quality, name brand, amazing products that you kind of need to know about. And you might not necessarily want to invest in going in the aisle, seeing all the things, watching YouTube reviews, seeing what's the best, what's not the best. Instead, you could just have it come straight to you, have your little spa night, spa day moment for yourself, try out all the things in the box and really enjoy it. So make sure you click the link in the description box, that way you can get yours. All right, so now let's actually get into it. Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video, it's featuring Glossybox. So I'm so excited to be featuring Glossybox here on the channel. I'm going to get into all the things about them, why I love them, and how you can get one. All right, so first let's go through opening the box because I'm so excited. So here we go. Just got my handy dandy box cutter, and let's get this baby open. Even though I'm pretty sure there's like a pull tab that makes it easier, I just automatically grab my box cutter for every box. But I'm really excited. I know it's been a while since I've been here in the YouTube streets, but I'm back and excited to be here. I had a lot going on, you know, summertime, trying to enjoy outside as much as I can, and you know, just be out here. So I have been busy, but I'm here now. Okay, so cut the box open, and now I'm pulling the box out of the box. So this is the box, super cute. This is the box. Let's open her up. Oh wow, this is really cool. It's made from a mix of responsible sources, so I like that. I just noticed that because I was facing the box towards you guys. And let's open her up, so we can both be excited at the same time. Really cute. So this is the August 10th anniversary box, and it comes with this little pamphlet. So inside, hey Glossies, has a message from the team, and it talks to you about the different things that are in the box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. So there's like little descriptions of each product in the box. Generation Glossybox, they have a special one coming out. It says share with your daughter's nieces and other girls in your life. That's really sweet. I like that. And then more information about, oh, they have their own skincare line, Glossybox skincare. That's cool. So let's get into what's in the box. I know you guys are like, hurry up girl. Listen, I'm trying. It's so cute. I shouldn't have done it. It was like a little ribbon. I think you guys saw it with the paper. So ripping that open. And of course, so should I go through base? I'm gonna go based on the number in the pamphlet, like each thing that they tell you about, so that way I'll read the description that they give of the product. So the first one is Cab Cosmetics, and it is a full-size lip product. Here we go, boom. It's their Juicy Melon Lip Oil. So there's no time for chapped lips or messy sticky gloss. This non-sticky lip oil gives your lips a burst of hydration, and with the large doe fit applicator, super easy for you to use. Guess who doesn't have anything on their lips right now? Me. It's going down. So this is the packaging of the Cab lip oil. It's actually interesting. The only other lip oil I tried was the Merit Beauty lip oil, and I really liked it. And I'm confused. I get that the way we have the world now, that you know you don't wear as much lip products. But how do we just skip over lip oil so quickly? Like, I feel like we need to talk about it more. Oh, that's cute. And it's not sticky at all. It feels so good. It's like a serum, but color, but it looks like a lip gloss, but it feels like a serum. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, it has a light fragrance, but it's not crazy. It feels so good and it looks really pretty. Oh my goodness, I fell in love. Okay. Let me show y'all the box again, even though I just dropped it. Lord, it is Cab lip oil from Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. That's interesting. I wonder if that is the whatchamacallit, Cab Cosmetics. I've never heard of them. I feel like this is probably a celebrity brand and I just don't know who the celebrities are. But the lip oil is really nice and they did a good job. And you know what, there's so many, even though I am in the Instagram-averse of makeup and beauty in the YouTube community, there are things that I don't hear about all the time, and this is definitely one of them. But I love this, and this is Cab lip oil. So far so good from the box. Oh, I'm dropping everything over here, y'all. There's gonna be so much bending down in this video, and I do have clothes on. It's a strapless dress, y'all. Okay, so that's that. It's funny, the next product is one that's been featured here on this channel. The Blueberry Bounce Cleanser from Glow Recipe. So if you are familiar and have not seen my other video on it, you know that me and this cleanser did not get along well and it did not go good. It basically made my skin have a crazy reaction. From the comments in the video, people are saying like, oh, use less cleanser, use more water. And people gave me all these tips and tricks to try it again to see it, and then say if you do those steps maybe it won't destroy your skin. So I wasn't planning on purchasing it ever again, but now that I have this sample, I'm going to use those tips and tricks that people suggested in the comment section, and maybe I won't have another allergic reaction. But let's see. I'm willing to give her another chance. I love Glow Recipe. They have such good brand will built with me already. And let's read the directions on how it says to use it here. It says dispense 1 pump into wet palms. Rub hands together, create lather. Massage gently into skin for 1 minute, then rinse thoroughly. So, oh, so maybe this, okay, so user error on my part. I was trying to use this to be a cleanser and a makeup remover. Nowhere does it say, oh wait, I lied. 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask. Oh, so it wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. But I'm gonna follow these directions and try it. I think I might have been using 2 pumps, so maybe that's why I had an allergic reaction. But I'm gonna try the 1 pump and lather, and we'll see if that works. Okay, next we have, oh my god, I love this product. This is Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. I need this right now. My hair is so struggly. As you can see, she slicked back in a bun because I'm currently 10 or 11 weeks post relaxer, and not next weekend, but the next week. So probably when I'm like 12, 13 weeks is when I'm gonna, you know, I touch up, and my new growth is fighting me and I'm losing. And I always used to use this conditioner to help fix my hair like right before I get a touch up, because that's when your hair is like your weakest. You get all this breakage sometimes and dryness, and this conditioner pack always used to save the day. And I'm so glad that it was included in Glossybox, because it was kind of hard to find this. Like, I would only be able to get it at beauty supply stores, and I want this to be popular and to be everywhere so that I could just grab it at Target or something more easily. So this is Hosk. Their masks are really, really good. Whether you have chemically treated hair, natural hair, oily hair, dry hair, they have so many different masks that work amazing on hair. But this keratin protein, everybody's hair needs protein no matter how oily or dry your hair is. So check this out. I'm excited to put this. Good pick, Glossybox. Good pick, okay? I love that stuff. Next is another product that is new to me. This is Elemis, and it's a deluxe mini size. So the Glow Recipe you guys seen based on my other video, which I won't link it. I had the full size, but that's a deluxe mini, and then that lip oil was a full size lip oil. So Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. So this is made with powerful marine and plant actives, including padina. Oh, I cannot say these words. Padina, pavinocia, chlorella, and ginkgo biloba. Anti-aging formula. So this is a mini 30 millimeter. It's worth $45. The full size is 50 millimeters and it's $128. Smooth, gently smooth. The way they say to apply this is gently smooth it over your face and décolletage with upward strokes. So we will try this out. I personally know from my travels and being on vacation, when you are in other people's oceans that are cleaner and you like submerge yourself with the sea things, that your skin, something about the ocean, it just, for me anyway, you just come out revived and feeling better and looking better. And even if you have sunburns, the sunburns cooperate more for some reason. It's like your skin is just overall has like a deep exfoliation once you like go into the ocean that is hard to be replicated. So I really am convinced that whatever is in the ocean is helpful to skin, so I'm excited to try this one. It says it's a day cream, but there's no SPF, so we'll see how that goes, but I like it. I like the idea of it. Next we have Cetaphil. Oh, this is a full size. She's a big mama. Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. Interesting. It's funny, I used to use Cetaphil face wash. It's funny, when I was a kid, not a kid, I was in high school and I was having so many issues with my skin. I was going back and forth to the dermatologist. I went through 3 dermatologists because the first dermatologist told me shave my head because that's why I'm having problems with my skin. So then of course, you know, you can't tell no high school girl just randomly shave her head. So I was like, ugh, I am through with this lady. New doctor needed, mom. And then dermatologist after dermatologist after dermatologist. I just left my last dermatologist because they weren't doing anything that I needed and they weren't helpful. So, you know, been on the skin things, and one of the first things recommended to me was to try Cetaphil face wash. It's funny, as a teen, you're indoctrinated that cleaning things means surfactant and soap and lather. So the fact that it was like a creamy kind of cleanser, I just wasn't into it because I was like, it's not lathering, so it's not I don't feel clean. But it's funny, now I use a gel cleanser that doesn't even lather, so you know, time is the best teacher in some cases. But I had used their body wash in the past and their face wash. I liked the cream that they had, their body cream, but the issue was that it was a twist top and you had to scoop your hands in it, and because of my nails, those kinds of products are always a mess for me. But this is a body lotion and it is has a pump, so actually we're gonna try it right now. I'm gonna open her up. Let's see, we're gonna twist it. Okay, you know, you got to do a couple pumps to get her started. Let's see. There we go. Some lotion came out. And I'm gonna put it on my arm. Okay, I like it. It is smooth. It has that medically Cetaphil smell, but the way that I'm set up, I usually put perfume on after I'm done lotioning. I mean, once I'm getting ready to like leave for the day, I put perfume on, so I kind of don't even like body products that smell that much because I know, let's see that elbow. Oh, she looks gorgeous. And that rubbed in so easily. That is going to be awesome for the morning routine. Moisturized arm. Not moisturized. I don't even know what I did that for. But it feels really good. I like it so far. This is, I could get into this. This is gonna be my new body lotion. Especially because I love other lotions, but they take so long to rub in that for the morning routine, it just is a time suck. So love that lotion. And then the last thing in the box, besides the fill in the paper, is, ooh, drop this, y'all. I had to grab it. Okay, so it is it's a full size and it's an Invisi Bobby. Wear your bracelet as an Invisi Bobby on the go. Slim elegant sister to the original Invisi Bobble, which is It's a ponytail holder. And it doesn't break your hair or damage it. And this is the slim. So it's a smaller one. Let's open her up. Oh, it's 3. There's 3 in here. And this is the little plastic Invisibobby. That way you can put your hair in a ponytail. Or if you have a bun like me, you can put it around your bun to secure it. I love these. It's funny, I never bought them because I was always like, ooh, these just seem like expensive scrunchies. It is not worth it. However, on my last trip, when I went to Curacao, Aruba, Bonaire, video still coming soon, did not forget about that. I basically had all these scrunchies that were popping, and the issue is they don't have the metal clasp, right? Because I was taking your hair out. So now they have this section of glue that like holds it, but it doesn't have like any hard parts, so your hair can't get caught on it. Cool. What happens is when you're swimming in the ocean and the pool and the water and those continuously get wet, that glue breaks down and dissolves. So if you have a scrunchie and you wear the scrunchie for all its time, and then you go to the pool, get in the pool, the scrunchie's wet, you stretch it to get it off, stretch it to put it back on later that day to do your hair. By the time it's like the second or third day of that, these scrunchies are popping like it's nobody's business. Just pop, 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 pop. So I did switch to cloth. Excuse me. I did switch to cloth scrunchies, which don't have that issue. But the thing with the cloth scrunchies is they then retain smell more than the plastic bungee ones. So then those you gotta wash and shampoo, and usually every time I wash my hair I wash the scrunchies, that way they'll stay clean. But with these, because they're plastic, I can imagine that they don't have any of those issues, and that they're stretchy, and then you can wear it like around your wrist, which is so convenient, especially when you think about it. If you take your hair down, you want to let it air dry a little bit, but then you want to put it back up, or if you had like started with a mid bun but now you really swimming out here, so now you want a top knot, this is going to be easier to find, easier to keep up with, and it's going to stay on your wrist also. So that's super cool. I'm excited to, I mean, I can't really try it now technically. I can put it on my bun, but yeah, you know, I don't think you guys are gonna see it because my bun is ginormous, so she's just gonna slink in the back of my bun here. Let's see if I can try and pull it out. Let me stop pretending I'm a lefty. Oh, this thing is like in there now. So I use a donut or a bun former for my buns, so the Invisibobby has now slipped between my scrunchie and the bun former, and she's in there forever now. It will never come out. But thankfully there's 3 in the pack, so we can go show you another one. Hey! So that was my opening of my Glossybox. So now I want to talk to you more about